Hello students of class 7. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the equatorial climate region, monsoon climate region and China type climate region. And today I will discuss about the other four climate region, and first of all I will discuss about the Mediterranean climate region. So let's start about this climatic region. The term Mediterranean climatic region stems from its close association with countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. And this type of climate is found between 30° north and 40° north latitude in Asia. And the countries in this group are Syria, Lebanon, Turkey, Israel, Jordan, etc. Now we will discussing about the climatic features in this region. This climatic type is opposite about the monsoon climate. That means in this region summer is dry and the winter remains wet. Summer temperature is about 21 to 27 degrees centigrade and winter temperature is about 5 degree to 10 degrees centigrade. And as I have said that the winter remains wet in this region, so rainfall occurs in winter and average annual rainfall is about 30 to 50 centimeter. And this rainfall is happen due to westerlies. Now let's discuss about the vegetation type in this region. Dry summer condition of this area is ideal for ripening of fruits. Many citrus fruits bearing trees like peach, pear, apricot, apple, olive, almond, etc. are found in this region. And the other trees like cork, oak, olive and some bushes with deep roots and subgroups are found in this region. And in this category they are laurel, lavender, rosemary, etc. Now let's discuss about the hot desert climate region. It is observed in the Arabian desert, the Thar desert of India and Pakistan, Iraq, Iran and Kuwait. The climate in this region is extreme in the sense of temperature, which is about 30° to 35° centigrade in summer and 15 to 25° centigrade in winter. Rainfall is very less in this region and it is about average 10 to 25 centimeter per year. And in the aqueous desertic zone, one may have to travel for miles without coming across practically any sign of life. And the hottest place of this region is Jacobabad, where temperature is recorded about 52 degrees centigrade. So you have to remember this name for short question. Jacobabad, the hottest place of Asia. And here temperature is about 52 degrees centigrade as recorded early. Now let's discuss about the vegetation type of this region. The vegetation of this region is particularly designated as xerophytes, and cactus, acacia, dates are main trees in this group. And the characteristics of this xerophyte type vegetation is Mainly, stems and leaves of this plant are covered with wax-like coating, and it is because the loss of moisture will be lesser at the time of transpiration. These trees are deep rooted and they are thorny also. Let's discuss about the Siberian climate region. And in this climatic region, Siberia, Sakhalin Island in Russia are the main region where it is found. In this climate, excessive cold and long winter is very common. 7 to 8 months in a year, here snowfall is found, and in winter temperature is just below freezing point, and the summer temperature is about 15 degree centigrade. And the vegetation of this region are evergreen and coniferous types. Fir, spruce, larch, pine, birch, cedar, willow are the main trees of this region. And in the coniferous vegetation, the main important characteristics is the trees are conical shape, and leaf of these trees are like needle, and it is because this shape can tolerate high snowfall. The last climatic zone that I want to discuss with you is tundra climate zone. In Russia, along and beyond the Arctic Circle, this tundra type of climate is being found here. And in this climatic zone, as it lies in the high altitude, so all the area remains frozen throughout the year. Average temperature is always found here in below freezing point. So snowfall is very common in this region, and the natural vegetation is very less in this region. Only moss, lichen, algae, etc. are found in the tundra climate zone. So these are the three climate regions that are discussed in your textbook at the page number 92, 93 or 94. But at the central part of Asia, there have a lot of climatic region which are not in your syllabus. So you have to prepare only these 7 climate region, and at the time of study you may follow the atlas as I have said early. Okay, and after this discussion I will give you a map which you should draw in your exercise copy. Okay, till then, thank you.